Hey, hello guys. Welcome back to Zhejiang Tongli Heavy Industry channel. My name is Richard. So today, in this video, I'm going to introduce about how to install a incineration rotary kiln. So on my back, you can see this is the pre-commissioning of our incineration rotary kiln. So the step of installing an incineration rotary kiln is, first of all, you will have the civil foundations ready. And then you will do the leveling of the civil base foundation. And then you will put the supporting device on the civil foundations. And then you do the leveling. And then you will put the anchor bolts in and do the secondary grounding until secondary grounding is finished. And then you will put the whole barrel on the supporting device. At the same time, you can install the front panel and the end panel. So because when we ship this barrel, the riding ring is already installed on it. So therefore, you do not have to assemble it outside. So basically, this is the step how you installing a incineration rotary kiln. So yeah, thank you guys. I will introduce about other parts of our incineration rotary kiln.